Hello, welcome to Peter Mathematics, where mathematics is made simple. Today, we want to talk about back bearing. If the bearing of A from B is given, then the bearing of B from A is called the back bearing. Is called the back bearing. When the given angle is less than 180, then the back bearing equal the given bearing plus 180. Let's take this example to explain it. The bearing of A from B is 75 degrees. What is the bearing of B from A? Look at it. So to solve it easily, since the bearing given is less than 180, 75 is less than 180. So the back bearing is equal to the given bearing 75 plus 180 degree, and that would be what? 155 degree. 155 degree. Let me explain it using diagram. The bearing of A from B, the starting point is B. This is the north. The bearing of A from B is 75 degree. So it's still within this 90. Let's say this. So remember that reading start from the north, and you must put the 3 digits, though it is 75 degree. So A is here. Okay, the point of A is this. The north pole of A is here. The bearing of the bearing of A from B is 75 degree. What is the bearing of B from A? This line connects A and B together. So we want to read the bearing of B from A. And where do we start? From the north. Until our reading touches this place. Until our reading touches this place. Don't forget, from here to here is 90 degree. Here to here is 90 degree. Okay? Now, we don't know this angle to this angle, but how do we get it? If we extend this line down, these two lines, they are what? Two parallel lines. And if this line called transverse line pass through them, what do we have? We are having alternate angle. And you know alternate angles are equal. So if this angle is 75, this angle is going to be 75. Therefore, the given angle, we are talking about back bearing now. The given angle is 75 degree plus 180, 90 plus 180 degree. What do we have? We have 155 degree. Do you understand the back bearing now? Do you understand how to locate the back bearing? When the given angle, 75, is less than 180. Let's go to the second one. Secondly, if the angle given, when the given angle is greater than 180, the back bearing equal given angle minus 180. Given angle minus 180. Let's see this example. if the bearing of Q from P is 241, then bearing of P from Q is what? So mathematically, we can say, what is the given angle? The given angle is, solution. So the given angle is 241 degree minus 180. What would that give us? 61 degree. So whenever the bearing given or the angle given is greater than 180, we remove 180 from it to give us the back bearing. So let us sketch it using diagram. Aside from the fact that when the angle given is greater than 180, we are to deduct 180 from it, minus 180, and we got 61 degrees. So let's sketch it. From the bearing of Q, okay, if the bearing of Q from P is 241, the bearing of Q from P, this is P from P, is 241. You measure from the North Pole. So you measure from the North Pole. From here, this is 90 degree to this place, 90 degree. That's 180. To a place like this, it will give us, this place is 65 anyway. If we had it, 61 degree. 61 degree, okay? So we are having 241 degree. So the bearing, if the bearing of Q, this is Q, from P, this is our P, is 241 degree, then the bearing of P, the bearing of P from Q is what? That's the question. This is the North Pole of Q. This is North Pole of Q. So to measure the bearing of P from Q, you know you are measuring from here. So this is the bearing of P from Q. And for us to get it, we are having two parallel lines where a transversal line is passing through. So this angle is alternate to this angle. Therefore, this angle is angle 61. This is how we get 61. So when you are dealing with back bearing, if the angle given is not 180, back bearing will be given angle plus 180. But if it is greater than 180, given angle or given bearing is going to be minus 180. Do you understand now? When the bearing given is greater than 180, you are having given angle plus 180 for the back bearing. But if the angle given is more than 180, like this one given here, you deduct 180 from it to get the back bearing. Thanks for watching. I've made 2 videos. This is the third in series of bearing and distance. If you've missed those 2, please go back and watch them so that you have a sequential arranged knowledge about bearing and distance. And by doing so, you will have full confidence that you can handle questions relating to bearing distance. So if you have obtained value from this video, kindly hit the like button. The implication of hitting the like button is that YouTube algorithm will show this video to so many people for them to benefit from it. And kindly share it with your friends as well. And if you are a new person on this channel, you are coming in contact with this channel for the very first time, kindly hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell as well,